Hi everyone, finally my front wheel of my Brompton need replacing, because in the last couple tours I hear the sound from the front wheel, and as you know, I used this bike in the last 4 years non-stop. When I open the side here, it was 3 missing, and the other side around 2. One of the reason probably I put my front bag too heavy and will be give more pressure into the wheel, and I ride my bike on the gravel sometime and some bump. The second reason is time to change. So I took out all the cable and the light, because here supposed to be metal or cable for the dynamo, because it's very hard to open the screw. By mistake I damage it. Now I will install the bearing, but obviously won't be dynamo anymore. How it's work? Otherwise I have new front wheel to replace. Let's put it back. One is done. Next. Make sure it's right side rotation. Can see from here. I try a couple of times, it's quite tight, so I'm give up. Instead I will put my new wheel. Spanner size 15. It's perfect, very nice and quiet. Just need to put my brake pad on, and then that's it really. Try. The reason I changed with new wheel because in my opinion is more economical. To repair this will cost me more, and this one is more heavier compared to this one, and I'm quite happy with the result. But then I need to buy a new light, so you know, win-win solution. They have positive and negative, but you cannot have everything. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you next time. Goodbye.